Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to center taskbar icons in Windows 10. Right-click taskbar. Click toolbar. Click new toolbar. Create new folder. Folder name is taskbar. Right-click toolbar. Click Open Folder. Copy shortcuts to your taskbar folder. Unpin all shortcuts. I want to move the taskbar, it cannot move. Right-click taskbar, click toolbar settings. Off, lock the taskbar. Now you can move the taskbar folder. Right-click toolbar, untick Show Title. Title is hidden. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.